Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and duplicate a product listing on Shopify. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. To duplicate a product listing in Shopify, you can use the built-in duplicate feature from your Shopify admin. For duplicating multiple products at once, you will need to use a CSV file, import or export method. So in order to go ahead and duplicate a single product, all we need to do is go to the products, click the name of the product you want to duplicate. This opens in the detail page. Click duplicate, which is going to be near the top right corner of the product details page. And then a pop-up window will appear. Enter a new title for the duplicate product. You can also select which specific product details like images, pricing, or inventory you want to copy over. Then choose whether the new listing should be active, draft, or unlisted, setting it as a draft. Make further edits before it goes live to the customer. Click the duplicate product button and it'll be done. I hope this video clarified a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.